Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much if you're new, and thank you for joining today's video. I'm going to share with you guys how to get this slay ponytail, how to achieve all this length without hair extensions. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks along with an amazing giveaway. Details will be at the end of the video. So first off, I did previously curl my hair with the Babyliss 1.5 inch just to give my hair some extra body. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from my ears to the crown. So I'm going to go ahead and section this top portion of my hair in a bun just to get it out of the way. So this is how my sectioning looks. It doesn't have to be perfect. My right side is slightly off, but that's totally okay. So I'm going to go ahead and rubber band it, but first I'm going to go in with my Olivia Garden Smooth and Shine brush, and this is just going to smooth all those baby hairs, all those little tiny ones on the neckline. And I'm going to go ahead and ponytail my section midway, but kind of on the higher side. Now that we have our ponytail in, we're going to add a little bit of texture and volume, and I'm going to use my Sexy Hair Powder Play Light powder and just mist that on the base of the ponytail. And I'm going to be using my Olivia Garden Carbon Silk Teasing Comb and just adding a slight tease to the base, and this is going to give it a really nice blend and volume. And I'm now spraying it with the Kenra 25 Volume Hairspray, and just softly working the tease in there. So moving along to the top section, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out all the hair and just get all those little baby hairs, just get it nice and smooth. And I'm going to rubber band this section so it just sits on the crown. So now that we have our top ponytail in, we're going to add some texture and volume, and this is what's going to make it blend with the bottom section. So I went in there with my volume powder. This is texturizing powder, and just kind of work it in there. Now I'm going to do about 3 sections. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and I'm going to tease it really well at the base of the ponytail. And ladies, don't be afraid of back combing. I know people are a little afraid of it. I love it. It gives your hair so much volume, and I'm a huge fan of big hair. So, and this is going to help blend it with the bottom section. So now we're going to move along to the sides, and I like to add a little bit to the sides. This is important too, just to make sure your ponytail is balanced and there's no flat spots. So we're going to go ahead and move to the midsection, do the same thing, tease the base. Now each section, as I lay down, I give it a good spray and kind of fan it out on top of the other section. So this is the last one, adding a slight tease to the base. Now I'm just gonna smooth out my ponytail, make sure it looks nice and balanced on both sides and the top. So now that my ponytail is done, I'm really happy with the way it's looking. Now we're going to go ahead and give the ponytail a good spray, and we are going to spray all those baby hairs. So I have a bristle brush. Now I'm just going to add some hairspray on the brush and just go ahead and smooth out the hairline, and look at how nice and clean that looks. So polished. This gives it a very, very polished look. So I'm going to go ahead and just brush those baby hairs up. Give it a good spray. And now I'm just smoothing any little hairs, making sure it blends really well together. And I'm really happy with the way it's looking. Now, I want to show you guys another tip that I have, but I'm very happy with it. You can leave it just like this. So I'm just going to give it a good spray, smooth it out, tighten your rubber band, tighten your ponytail. So I really, really like it. So now I'm going to show you guys another tip that I have. Now this is going to add more volume to the base of the ponytail. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take a section of the hair at the bottom of this ponytail. And all you're going to do is wrap it around the base. And what this does, for one, it hides the rubber band. Two, it adds a nice amount of volume. So I'm just going to go ahead and bobby pin that section of hair, and that is it. And you can instantly see the volume that it gave the base of the ponytail, which I absolutely love. So that completes today's video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks on how to slay that ponytail, get that volume and that extra length. So with today's video, I'm doing a giveaway with my friend Miss Dre. I'm wearing her new lashes in the style Bonita. We are giving one lucky winner of lashes, a lash applicator, and the products I used in today's video, which is the Kenra Volume 25 hairspray and the Sexy Hair Powder Play Light volumizing powder. All you have to do is make sure you are following her Instagram page, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Good luck, and a winner will randomly be chosen. See you guys in the next video.